It was a heavy trading session for RKLB yesterday, the 19th of December 2025. Settled the whole session with a gain of 22.35%. Volume in that session more than double its average of 21.3 million shares. And the stock obviously is trading at a premium to all of its volume weighted average price. It printed an intraday high of 74.84 dollars. Yeah, so it would actually pull back from those highs. Yeah, let's get the news. I think the company won a contract. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, landed an $860 million deal with the US Space Development Agency to build 18 satellites for mission warning and tracking. Its largest contract yet. Okay, yeah, launched a mission for the U.S. Space Force, deploying four disk satellites into low Earth with an Electron rocket, finishing 5 months early. Okay, that's on positive. Yeah, and a lot more. Underlying trend strongly bullish. You can see that. You know, yeah. This yesterday was the second straight session of gains for the stock. So the extrapolation is saying that it may hold strength at least up till the 6th of January. Yeah, up to the 6th of January. If you look at what we have here, beginning from the whole of this December has been a good one, pretty much. You can see beginning from the 2nd of December up till 2nd of December up to when? Up to the 10th. Okay, you do the maths. That's how many trading sessions. Yeah, many of them. It's only closed out of those trading sessions. It had only one down day. So if it's saying that this is what may happen, it's not. It wouldn't be out of place. It's the stuff of the stock. This is what it does, especially of late. It has that sort of ability, but it does pull back. You can see here, it pulls back. It does contract. So if it contracts, that will be a buying opportunity. It will be a buying opportunity. If this is what's going to happen, if it's going to contract, surely it will be a buy. You know, but as things stand right now, it looks attractive, but caution is warranted. Two straight session of gains, you have to be really cautious. Not that you're going to lose money, but if you get in, I mean, what would you? Well, it's all up to you. Some people are buying it for a long time, and indeed, a lot of people are long term holders. A lot of people are long term holders, so it's all up to you. Some people can be long term holders, but um, they initiate their transactions. They open their transactions like traders. They buy when the stock pulls back, and then they leave it there. Some also buy it when it pulls when it they buy it. For instance, some people may have bought at this sort of level, or let's just say that some people bought at this level, at this price 40.38, and then they sold when it started to contract here, and then they got in again. Those are the people. They are long-term holders, but they are not passive. They are active. So in terms of projections, we have 57.85, 66.33, 77.32, 84.1. Okay, those are the upper projections. The 40-day moving average is also expected to rise to catch any pullback that might happen. Here we have momentum is expected to weaken, going all the way towards the 26th of December. So it's extrapolating that the algos are suggesting that the stock might drop below its 10-day moving average by Monday. What are the odds of that happening? What are the odds of that happening? Is that Monday I see here? It looks like Monday, or rather by Tuesday, it may have dropped below that moving average. That moving average is rising $3.823 every day. Yeah, it's gaining $3.82 every day. So this is where it is right now. This is where it is right now. Okay. Okay, we'll see whether that will be the case. What are the odds of that being the case? Okay, one other thing we could do is have a look at its market grid. Apply the market grid. It will give us a range of prices and also support prices. Levels that it might pull back to. You know, and then maybe an opportunity to jump in will the opportunity to jump in will improve. Yes, as it is right now, it is not exactly the best, but the market gives you a better opportunity. You can see here, this is normally it should be trading within this range, but it's not. The market has the grid hasn't reacted. We will have a look at the 4 hour chart. So it hasn't reacted yet. So yeah, it putting back towards these sort of levels, I would say somewhere around 58.97 will be a lot more comfortable. 57.90 will be a lot more comfortable. A lot more comfortable. Let's have a look at the 4 hour chart and see what is giving us there. We had there 57.90 here as well. It's unfortunately trading at the almost at the top of that grid. Okay, here we have more ambitious. The grid is a lot more extensive because the stock added more gains in the post market session. You can see here it's in 4.84. So that's why we have here 74.29. So the stock closed at $73. So it's somewhere here. So the prospect of going on to advanced retest and 4.89 is there as well. But you see what I mean? Okay, yeah. Here the support zones will be a lot more advanced. We have here 69.64 based on this 4 hour chart. The 4 hour chart is more active. So yeah, I would say a range between 69.64 and 69.64 and let's see and 69.64 and all the way down to maybe 56.84. Yeah, quite a wide range. But if it gets to such levels, if it pulls back to such levels, that would be comfortable. But it may also depend on other things as well. It may yeah, if it contracts over 2 trading sessions or more, then based on what the pattern it has, you can see here how many days did it contract. This is 11th. So, and this is what? This is 17th. Okay, so 11th was a Thursday. So Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. No, so yeah, yeah, 4 straight sessions of it contracted for 4 trading sessions. So yeah, it's something that can happen. So yeah, but we'll see. This run was a long one. So let's see now. Second to the 11th. Let's see. Let me get the number of days that was second to 11. Yeah, let's see. Um, 4. Yeah, 4 plus 4, 8 straight sessions. We'll see how this goes. If it continues to print this, then that'll be good. Okay. So here it's saying that sixth is so this is let's get sixth. This one began on the 18th. This began on the 18th. Yeah, 18th began on the 18th to 6th. That will be a long run. Let's see whether it counts. It's definitely going to be more than 8 days. Yeah, 1, 2, 7, 12, 12 plus 12 plus 14 days. No, I don't think so. It's definitely going to pull back at some point. So if it pulls back, then the opportunity would improve. So okay, so see what you make of RKLB, and thank you very much for watching this video.